think you'll have any problems on I-35.
Okay.
I don't know.
What's falling to the sky here?
I don't know. I see it.
We have
rotation
flying.
of something.
Oh, we got a tornado right in front of us.
I gotta get off of here.
Okay.
We got power flashes.
Be careful.
We've got rotation right here, babe, and just flying. Oh, hey, we gotta get pulled over and get off this. Oh, we've got a tornado right here at exit 15. We're coming off of exit 15 right now, and there's a tornado, and it's tearing apart everywhere. We just ran over some pieces of truck.
Tornado in Marietta. Marietta, take cover now. Everybody in Marietta, take cover.
Jesse's live, and he's letting people know to take cover, but flying everywhere, Nikki.